and pasta.
Carbonara.
Hello everyone! Today we are cooking pasta carbonara
or spaghetti carbonara.
and this is a classic recipe.
What do we need? We need pasta, bacon,
Eggs,
salt, black pepper,
garlic,
Parmesan cheese.
cream.
What do? We take a big pot, pour water,
Add 1 tablespoon of salt and boil it.
then we cut the bacon. Chop the garlic,
Grate parmesan.
fry bacon.
Add garlic to the bacon. Mix the eggs, cream and parmesan.
Add pasta to the water, boil it for 10 minutes. Add hot pasta and mix it.
Dress it with parmesan and black pepper.
Serve it. Enjoy your meal. Bellissimo!